Where's the money?
Where's the phone?
The money.
Yes, give money.
Which?
Where's the money?
Yeah, they even tontoli.
Why are you laughing? Why is this fool laughing?
No. Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing?
We are busy robbing you
Can't
here.
you
Where's
see
the
we're on
money?
business
Where's
here?
the phone?
Yeah, it's
My
business.
friend, my friend, stop laughing.
Sorry.
It's going to irritate me now. I'll blow your brains, so please.
Don't blow
Where's
it.
the money? Where's the money?
I don't have money. Since my mama born me, this is the first time fine girls are robbing me. And I like it. Yeah.
So you didn't quite get
No, I don't have money, but I have money inside.
You have money inside?
Yeah, I have dollars. I have rands. I have naira. I have gold.
You have gold.
Yes, even frankincense and may. I have it inside. Yes, inside. Yes, it's inside.
So if you go inside your house, you're going to find it.
Yeah, you will find it.
My friend, in fact, I'm playing.
Jesus.
You think I'm going to play with you?
It's okay.
Let's go inside your house now.
I'm going
My
inside.
friend, move. Let's
See
go.
my flat here.
Now.
Omo Mandela. Omo Mandela. Omo Mande. Mono mwero. Ayabe go puna, ayabe go. I love this Robbie. Who must have this Wajoshi? Hey.
Wow.
You know you try, eh?
I try.
You try.
I represent Nigeria well.
I'm telling you.
You too, you try.
We try.
You try. I love this kind of robbery. See, feel free to rob me anytime. Come and rob me. You know, I'm not complaining.
It
Yes.
was the best, eh?
Yes.
It was the best robbery.
Yes, I like it.
Thank you very much.
Your guns.
Oh, yes. Look, we almost forgot our guys.
It was so nice, baby.
Did I have food? In case of next time.
Alright.
Oh, your spec.
This guy is so romantic, yes. You like it?
Yeah, you're not stinky. Wear your spec. Okay, wear your bandana. Yes. Because of next time. When I talk, thank you so much.
Okay, we'll see you later.
Yeah, next time. You can rob me tonight or tomorrow. I'm always at home. I want to mark all. Yes.
I like it.
All right.
Bye, Nick.
Greet your mommies for me. I don't know Namma. Hey, Obodo na kesi zusho ya nese. Hey, Onye Obodo was Zugafia. Chineke mma.